What?
Gigi,
What?
why have you got an umbrella up on our beautiful Swan pebble boat?
Because it's bucketing rain.
Really?
It started with a few dribbles and you pulled out your umbrella and then it decided it was just going to bucket.
Yeah. And that's pretty much what's happening now.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Are you having some fun though?
Oh, sure. Are you?
Oh yeah. For
Get
sure.
those legs pushing.
Yes. We're a little ways from our rental place because of course we wanted to go to the other side of the lake where nobody was. So, but we'll get back
Somebody
there.
wanted to go to the other side of the lake.
Are you having fun, Gigi?
Absolutely.